Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about 12 small investment ideas that require very little money. Whether you own a business or aspire to do so, investment is an important aspect of building financial stability. If you want to have a financially healthy future, even if you only have a few hundred to a few $1,000s to invest, consider these 9 top small investment ideas. Number 1. Start your own business. Starting your own business can be an expensive proposition, depending on what you wish to do. However, there are many entrepreneurial opportunities or microenterprises that require very little initial investment. If you have a skill, such as carpentry, repair work, or cooking, you can start a business on the side and make some money in the process. Investing your own money in your small business is a simple process, but it can cause headaches down the road if you don't take the right steps from the beginning. Check out our guide to putting personal money into a business to make sure your accounts are in order and things don't get messy between your business and personal finances. Number 2. SEP IRA plans. A simplified employee pension individual retirement account, SEP IRA, is a retirement plan for businesses with 5 or fewer employees. If you are a sole proprietor or own a very small business, it's a way for you to put money away for retirement through tax-deferred investments similar to a traditional IRA. While the annual maximum contribution is above $50,000, there's no minimum contribution requirement for a SEP IRA plan. Many investment platforms offer low or no minimum balance requirements. Number 3. Solo 401k plans. Solo 401k plans are designed as a way to save for retirement. They are designed for single-employee businesses only, unlike SEP IRA plans, which can be used if you have a few employees. Solo 401k plans have administrative costs involved, such as annual fees and administrative charges, depending on the provider, but they are another option for providing tax-deferred retirement savings. Number 4. Partial shares of stocks. Conventional investing requires a significant amount of money, given that many stocks have a very high price. But fractional share brokerages, including sites like Robinhood, allow you to buy partial shares of individual stocks or fractional shares of exchange-traded funds, ETFs, or indexes, giving you access to investing with lower levels of cash. These fractional share services often run on low or zero commission. Since investors can buy partial shares with very small amounts of money, standard commissions would eat up their investments quickly. The rise of zero-commission trading has also led to larger brokerages changing or eliminating their commissions. Number 5. Savings accounts and certificates of deposit. Savings accounts aren't what people tend to think of first when they think of investing. However, a savings account does give you returns in the form of interest, and it's an easily accessible and useful small investment opportunity. There are different kinds of savings accounts you can open depending on your needs. A high-yield savings account and a money market account both give you a higher rate of interest than a standard savings account, but you'll usually have to keep a minimum balance in either to avoid paying a fee. A certificate of deposit, CD, offers you a longer-term guarantee of interest, but requires commitment for months or years to avoid potential penalties. Number 6. Invest your spare change. For investors who want to put small amounts of their personal funds into the market, Acorns offers you the ability to invest your spare change. When you make a purchase with your credit or debit card, Acorns rounds up your purchase to the nearest dollar and puts the change into an investment account. You can put money into a standard investment portfolio, a retirement account, or even an investment account for your kids. One of the problems with small investments is that it can take a long time and a lot of work for your investments to grow into something significant. With automated investment, it's surprising how quickly your accounts grow, and all the while, you may not even notice the money leaving your checking account because it gets taken out in such small amounts. Number 7. Crowdfund someone else's business. While there's always a risk of losing money when investing in another's business venture, both equity and debt crowdfunding can offer an opportunity for small-level investment in a new venture that you think has potential. Your investment can be made in return for either ownership stake, or your principal investment being returned over time plus interest. Platforms like Kickstarter and Indiegogo are popular for researching potential business investment options. Peer-to-peer (P2P) lending, where you lend money to another individual through a third-party platform, may also be a viable option to pursue. Just like investing in the stock market, the potential risk of loss means that personal funds, not business funds, should be used if you choose to invest in crowdfunding. Number 8. Paying off debt. Whether personal or business, paying off existing debt will help build your overall net wealth. If you have debt, you are paying a higher rate of interest than you would be able to earn on investments or savings. A savings account that gives you a 1% annual percentage yield, APY, is offering a really good interest rate, but your credit cards might be racking up interest at 15% or higher. Putting additional money toward the debt won't only pay it down, but will cost you less in monthly interest payments. Additionally, it may be worth shopping around to get a new credit card to help save a few additional dollars. There are credit cards that offer an introductory period, usually 12 to 18 months of 0% annual percentage rate, APR. Number 9. Reinvest in your business. In addition to paying off debt, look at low-cost ways to improve your business efficiency and performance. The increased processing power of computers and mobile devices, combined with increased affordability, makes updating your business's technology a viable option. Additionally, you can consider collaboration software or other office tools that help improve efficiency within your company. Some of these tools may be particularly useful if your employees work remotely. While investing in your business will cost money on the front end, the increase in productivity will hopefully yield additional revenue and profit. Bottom line: there are several options available to business owners for low-cost investment. Some of these options are designed to help owners save for retirement, while others offer ways to improve business productivity and the company's bottom line. Tom Thunstrom. Tom Thunstrom is a staff writer at Fit Small Business, specializing in small business finance. He holds a bachelor's degree from the University of Minnesota and has over 15 years of experience working with small businesses through his career at 3 community banks on the U.S. East Coast. In a prior life, Tom worked as a consultant with the Small Business Development Center at the University of Delaware. Number 10. Build an audience you can monetize. In today's connected world, the ability to capture and keep the attention of others is an asset. It's one that many businesses are even willing to pay for, and one that many creators are able to convert into a business with multiple revenue streams. Whether you choose to grow your following on YouTube, Instagram, or a blog, ideally a combination of different channels, you have many avenues for monetizing your audience. Number 11. Start a pet business. The pet industry is ripe with opportunity for all kinds of small business ideas. And it's an industry worth nearly $100 billion, so it's an easy one to get started in, with guaranteed demand. Your pet business could be product or service-based, selling accessories, food, or toys, or offering grooming, walking, or training expertise. Perky Prints makes personalized printed pet products, everything from apparel to framed prints, plus fun projects in between. On the service side of things, Let the Dog Out offers dog walking and bathroom breaks to its customers. Number 12. Create a membership program. Online memberships aren't just a hot new business idea that materialized from people being required to stay home during the COVID-19 crisis. Online memberships are ideal for entrepreneurs with an established, active, and engaged community. They work much like a subscription-based business. Customers make recurring payments in exchange for a virtual product or service. Memberships are great for managing members-only access to content on a website, and even for physical businesses that offer guided sessions online. Yoga studios, gyms, clubs, and art schools are a few examples of businesses that can easily take advantage of this low-investment business model. Since this content is behind a gate that only paying subscribers can access through their customer account, you can also host exclusive live streams in addition to, or instead of, downloadable content. Regardless of the route you take, be sure to record in a quiet space, so the audio is clear and distraction-free. It's also a good idea to use email marketing to keep your members informed of new content. Emails, video teasers, and customer testimonials are great ways to build excitement for new launches. And it's easy to start your membership-based business in Shopify. Set up a new product just like you would for a physical product, but create a name and description that tells people about your membership services. Make sure to unselect this as a physical product to remove shipping options at checkout. Note: some of the setup required might change depending on which apps you choose to use later in the process. If you want to offer different options for your memberships, create variants. You can set different prices for each option and limit the number of times available, if needed, by editing each variant. I hope you guys liked the video, and for more stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you soon. Goodbye.